She has charisma. She has inheritance. She has the surname Gandhi. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has been in the limelight since her childhood. As the only granddaughter of India's first woman Prime Minister, as a daughter of Rajiv Gandhi, and as strength for her mother Sonia, and as the adored sister of her brother Rahul Gandhi.
My mother is sitting here. When my father died, it was my sister who looked after my mother. She was 17 years old when Papa died. My mother lost everything, my sister lost everything. But the person who was looking after my mother was my sister. And I am confident that my sister is ready to sacrifice anything for her family.
And Wayanad reposed their faith in Priyanka with a landslide margin of more than 4 lakh votes.
मैं प्रियंका गांधी वाड्रा जो लोकसभा की सदस्य निर्वाचित हुई हूँ, सत्यनिष्ठा से प्रतिज्ञा करती हूँ कि मैं विधि द्वारा स्थापित भारत के संविधान के प्रति सच्ची श्रद्धा और निष्ठा रखूंगी.
She dazzled in a traditional Kerala cassava white sari with gold border. Malayali women wear it in festivals. It was the festival of her debut as parliamentarian Priyanka. Wayanad was all decked up, with the Gandhi siblings smiling from banners, with balloons, with festive mood in the air. Congress supporters and party workers gathered from Wayanad and the entire state to welcome the third generation Gandhi and the third woman from the family, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. Nearly 2.5 months away from her 54th birthday, she came to Wayanad to make the boldest and the most significant move of her life, taking the poll plunge. Her husband and her son sat by her as she waited to file her nomination. Her brother, the leader of opposition in Indian Parliament and the former MP of Wayanad, and her mother, Sonia Gandhi, came to support her. And so did the Congress president and stalwart leaders. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra filed her nomination to contest in the by-election for Lok Sabha from Wayanad as her brother Rahul Gandhi vacated the seat and chose to retain Raebareli. In the next few weeks, she worked hard to woo voters. Priyanka is a veteran election campaigner. But this time, it was different. She was asking for votes not for her father, mother, brother or any other Congress leader, but for herself.
What's your earliest and most poignant memory of Kerala?
Earliest memory, I would say coming here to Wayanad, really, the time I came here during the landslide, it was something I'll never forget all my life. The kind of pain that I saw and the kind of resilience, the courage of people, that was something that really moved me, and also just to see the extent of the devastation and yet to see people reacting to it with such dignity, with so much courage, having lost everything, but still all of them coming together to help each other. That is not only a moment that I will remember, but it is a lesson for all of us and for the whole country.
Is that your number one priority then, landslide compensation, rehabilitation, or is it the night travel ban? Is it the medical college?
See, those are the issues that we have to work on, and for which we need to really put pressure on the state government and the central government to release the funds for compensation, and also these issues of the night ban and the man-animal conflict. But over and above that, we need also vision for Wayanad. It has so much potential. in tourism, it has so much natural beauty. We need to strengthen all that. Need to strengthen job opportunities that will come through strengthening the tourism industry, agriculture, the products, coffee, rice, cinnamon, all the products that are produced by farmers here, marketing them properly, giving a push to food processing, to market, and again creating jobs through that. I think there has to be a comprehensive vision.
From early morning of 23rd November, she was leading. The gap between her and her opponents only grew further and further to declare her winner with 6.22 lakh votes. She defeated her nearest CPM rival, Satyen Mukheri, with more than 4 lakh votes. That's a margin higher than what her brother Rahul Gandhi got a few months before during the summer general elections. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra tweeted her gratitude to people of Wayanad, her alliance partners, campaign workers and her family. The win has empowered her entry in the parliament. And her doting brother ensured the movement remains captured forever. Her husband uploaded her oath-taking pictures on social media.
संविधान हाथ में लेके आपने शपथ लिया, क्या मैसेज देना चाहती हैं? वायनाड से आप चुन के आई हैं
कि हमारे लिए संविधान से ऊपर कुछ नहीं है। हमारे लिए जो संविधान है, जिसके असूलों पर इस देश की नींव डली है, उसी के लिए हम लड़ रहे हैं और लड़ते रहेंगे।
Priyanka Gandhi, take oath today.
Yes, we are all very happy and proud.
With her entry now, all three Gandhis, Sonia, Rahul and Priyanka, are members of the two houses of parliament.
हमारे लिए एक पार्लियामेंट में नई ऊर्जा, नई शक्ति हमको मिली और वो अच्छे वक्ता हैं और हर चीज़ को समझते हैं और जनता के समस्या को उठाते हैं और खासकर महिलाओं के समस्याओं को वो उठाने में सक्षम है। इसलिए बड़ी खुशी की बात है।
Very happy because I campaigned for her. I thought she was an excellent candidate and she did a very, very good job in the campaign. Coming here with a record majority of 4.5 lakhs from Wayanad, she's earned the right to represent the people of Wayanad, of Kerala and of India. And I hope that her voice will add to the strength of the voice of Kerala in Parliament. We don't have too many Kerala MPs who can speak fluently in Hindi. That's going to be a good asset as well. So I think in many ways it's going to be a value-added force multiplier for us, as they say in military terms.
मैं प्रियंका गांधी वाड्रा जो लोकसभा की सदस्य निर्वाचित हुई हूं।
Congress has been waiting for this moment for a long time. Born to Rajiv Firoz Gandhi and Sonia in 1972, Priyanka is younger than her older brother Rahul by 1.5 years. They have been close siblings adored by the nation as the grandchildren of then Prime Minister stalwart Indira Gandhi. The Iron Lady of Indian politics would turn into an adorable grandmother next door in their company. They wore the pictures of grief when their grandmother was assassinated. In the days of their father as the Prime Minister, they often accompanied their parents on different trips. Priyanka was a young teenager walking by her father's side in his last year as the Prime Minister. Cameras loved her, and so did people. Her eerie resemblance to her grandmother, shy smile, clad comfortably in a sari, she was adored by all. Priyanka standing by her grieving mother at her father's funeral is an unforgettable image of sorrow, of losing a loved one unexpectedly in a dastardly act of terror. Priyanka's wedding with Robert Vadra hit the headlines in 1997. The shy, smiling bride by the brimming bridegroom with her mother standing by her. They were no more the first family of the country. They were no more in active politics. Yet the country doted on them. The Gandhi siblings had the most isolated childhood, growing up under constant terror threat after losing two of their beloved family members to terror strikes. They were always flanked and protected by tight-knit security, even when they were out of power. And then their mother, former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi's widow, decided to take a poll plunge. Sonia Gandhi was to contest election, and in 1999, she chose to file her nomination from Bellary in Karnataka. Congress wanted to ensure her victory. They wanted her to fight from another seat. It was 29-year-old Priyanka who convinced her mother to choose her father's constituency of Amethi.
99 में प्रियंका जी पहली बार अमेठी में अपनी सोनिया जी का प्रचार के लिए आई थी। वो उस समय हमारी स्टार प्रचारक थी, तो हमारी नेता भी हैं वो। तो उन्होंने बड़े उसी इलेक्शन में चुनाव की बारीकियों को सीखा उस समय।
पिछले 10 साल से जिस तरह वो सक्रिय राजनीति में हैं, वो त्याग, निडरता, साहस और बेबाक अंदाज में अपनी बात कहने के लिए जानी जाती हैं। मैंने देखा है, उत्तर प्रदेश में काम किया है उनके साथ। उनसे जनता से संवाद कर लेती हैं सीधा, और एक संसदीय भाषा का प्रयोग उन्हें मालूम है।
Priyanka Gandhi took charge of her mother's campaign in Amethi. Current MP from Amethi, KL Sharma, was her trusted lieutenant.
मैं उस समय हम लोगों ने कहा था कि आपसे बहुत इमोशनली लोग टच हैं, तो इस कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी को छोड़िए नहीं। तो फिर प्रियंका ही ने स्टैंड लेके मैडम को वहां लेके गई, क्योंकि मैडम तो ऑलरेडी बेलारी से नॉमिनेशन कर चुकी थी। तो उसके बाद फिर प्रियंका जी ने मतलब उनको फिर अमेठी के लिए कहा।
Though Sonia won it comfortably, there was a moment when rumors spread of a trade.
हम लोगों ने बीच में प्रियंका से कहा कि अब मतलब ओवरऑल आप ये ठीक चल रहा है यहाँ पे, आप मतलब जा सकते हैं, हम लोग यहाँ पे हैं। तो फिर मतलब उन्होंने गई तो किसी ने कह दिया कि सोनिया जी ट्रेलिंग बिहाइंड, तो फिर सीधा आई हो गई कैसे। मैं कहा यहाँ तो 2.25 लाख का लीड हो चुका है, रायबरेली अभी ऐड नहीं किया। तो मैं कहा मोस्टली मैं कहा मेरे को लगता है कि ये 3-3.5 जाएगा। तो इस इलेक्शन में हम 3,12,000 वोट से जीते।
Sonia Gandhi retained Amethi. In the next election in 2004, she handed it over to her son Rahul Gandhi, while she moved on to her mother-in-law's constituency of Raebareli. Priyanka Gandhi spearheaded the campaign for both her mother and brother. There were rumors and speculations that she might as well take the poll plunge.
डिमांड तो अमेठी रायबरेली वाले हमेशा उठाते थे कि प्रियंका, हाँ सब कुछ नहीं, ऑफिस मतलब हायर कर लिया, सारी तैयारी कर लिया, करते थे। लेकिन अब इनका पर्सनल डिसीजन था, उसमें कोई करने। लोग तो डिमांड करते थे कि आप आ जाइए। लोगों में कंपटीशन लगता था कि अमेठी से लड़े।
Priyanka started election campaign at a tender age of 17 for her father Rajiv Gandhi in 1989. For the next 2 decades, while everyone kept speculating about her grand political debut, she would keep a quiet distance from all of it and appear only to support and work for her mother and brother. In 2014, with the rising Modi tide, many within Congress wanted her to contest. Instead, she limited herself to exhaustively campaigning for the party around the country, as well as managing Sonia and Rahul Gandhi's election campaigns. She gave the best retorts that made headlines.
कोई भी बेटी अपने भाई के विजय के लिए, माँ के विजय के लिए सब कुछ करेगी, और मैं मानता हूँ इतना तो उनको हमने अवसर देना चाहिए कि आखिर बेटी बेटी है। माँ के लिए नहीं करेगी तो किसके लिए करेगी, भाई के लिए नहीं करेगी तो किसके लिए। और एक बेटी के नाते वो कुछ भी कहे, मैं कभी बुरा नहीं मानूंगा, क्योंकि उसको हक है अपनी माँ के लिए मेहनत करना, उनका हक बनता है अपने भाई के लिए काम करना। इससे भी 10 गालियां और देगी तो भी बेटी बेटी है।
उन्होंने इंटरव्यू में कहा है कि प्रियंका हमारी बेटी जैसी है, अगर वो कुछ कहेंगे तो हम बोलेंगे भी। मैं राजीव गांधी की बेटी हूँ।
Pundits and party workers credit her for Rahul Gandhi's 2014 Amethi win against Smriti Irani. But Congress failed to defeat Modi wave, and the chorus now grew louder within party rank and file for Priyanka to join politics. But it will have to wait for another decade. In the last 10 years, she gradually and diligently carved her way in party politics. In 2017, when post strategist Prashant Kishore was roped in by Congress to help and assist the party in Uttar Pradesh state polls, he reportedly suggested Priyanka's name for leading the party in the state. She actively planned UP polls and negotiated with allies like Samajwadi Party's Akhilesh Yadav. The successful conclusion of the alliance with SP saw Congress heralding the political launch of Priyanka Gandhi, openly crediting her with clinching the coalition that had seemed to be on the rocks. Priyanka was also said to be instrumental in bringing Navjot Singh Sidhu and some other leaders into the party fold ahead of the elections to 5 state assemblies. A year later, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra managed the AICC plenary session where her brother Rahul Gandhi was confirmed as the Congress president. In the next 2 years before the 2019 general elections, Priyanka reportedly played a role in the formation of the Congress-JDS alliance government in Karnataka. At her suggestion, Rahul agreed to offer the chief ministership to H.D. Kumaraswamy of JDS. She also played a role in the selection of chief ministers of Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. As the general elections came calling in 2019, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra entered politics formally. She was appointed AICC General Secretary of Uttar Pradesh East. Smriti Irani was back to challenge Rahul Gandhi in Amethi, and Congress did not want to take a chance. Wayanad was offered as a safe choice for Rahul. He contested from both. Amethi chose Smriti Irani, while Wayanad embraced Rahul Gandhi. Congress worked hard, but the match was set in voters' minds, and Narendra Modi formed the government once again, decimating Congress to 52 seats against BJP's 303. In the next 5 years, as Rahul Gandhi worked hard to build Congress support once again, his sister was his trusted support base, and so was Wayanad. Priyanka was there crisscrossing states in each assembly election as a star campaigner. The more she campaigned and connected with people, irrespective of the poll outcome, the pregnant question kept haunting her.
आपका रोल फिर क्या है? राहुल गांधी प्रचार कर रहे हैं, तो आपका क्या रोल है?
मेरा रोल है अपनी पार्टी के सिद्धांतों के लिए लड़ना, जी, अपने देश के संविधान के सिद्धांतों के लिए लड़ना, जो गरीब हैं, जो किसान हैं, जो महिलाएं हैं, जिसके जीवन में मुश्किलें हैं, संघर्ष है, उनके साथ खड़ा हूं।
क्योंकि ये सवाल उठ रहा है, आप 2024 का चुनाव अब लड़ेंगी कि प्रियंका गांधी केवल स्टार कैंपेनर रहेंगी?
तो बहुत दूर जा रहे हैं।
नहीं, बहुत दूर नहीं, 6 महीने में 4 महीने में चुनाव आ रहे हैं, आप केवल स्टार कैंपेनर हैं या किस तरह से?
इनको मेरे ख्याल से कितने 20 सालों से देख रही हूँ,
उससे ज्यादा
20 सालों से यही है इनका कि कहीं
It was time for the grand battle of parliament election.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi, when first time round Rahul Gandhi contested from Wayanad, said that he's taken the safest seat where the minority population was in majority. But that notwithstanding, Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi have often spoken about the Bharat Jodo Yatra and uniting Bharat. And Kerala was actually the home turf as far as, the startup of the Bharat Jodo Yatra is concerned.
In 2024, she was far more vocal and pragmatic than she was in the past decade and a half.
70 सालों से ये देश स्वतंत्र है, 55 सालों के लिए कांग्रेस की सरकार रही है। किसी ने आपसे सोना छीना, आपके मंगलसूत्र छीने। इंदिरा गांधी ने अपना सोना, जब जंग हुई थी, अपना सोना देश को दिया। मेरी मां का मंगलसूत्र इस देश को कुर्बान हुआ है।
In 2024, there was strong speculation of Priyanka standing from Amethi, while Rahul Gandhi filed his second nomination from Raebareli, but she refused.
What are we going against that?
क्योंकि किसी को संचालन भी तो करना है।
आपने लड़ने का फैसला किया है। शर्मा की अच्छी चॉइस है।
हाँ, बहुत अच्छी चॉइस है। बहुत समय से शर्मा जी संभाल रहे हैं अमेठी को। 99 से जब पहले चुनाव का संचालन हमने किया था तो हम दोनों ने साथ में किया था। अमेठी का हर गांव के हर गांव को जानते हैं, हर गली को जानते हैं। बहुत अच्छा रहेगा।
Instead, she was a Gandhi to stand by Kishori Lal Sharma when he was chosen to file nomination from Amethi.
इन्होंने लगातार 40 सालों के लिए आपकी सेवा की है और इस चुनाव में भी मैं इनके साथ कंधे से कंधा लगाकर चुनाव लड़वाएंगे। मैं आपसे ये उम्मीद रखती हूँ कि आप भी हमारे साथ कंधे से कंधा लगाकर इस चुनाव को लड़वाएंगे और किशोरी जी को जिताएंगे।
Rahul Gandhi won both the seats of Raebareli and Wayanad. Kishori Lal Sharma defeated Smriti Irani in Amethi. Priyanka Gandhi finally emerged as a perfect campaign manager with a remarkable winning track record. The time was right, and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, following the Nehru Gandhi's family tradition, finally took the poll plunge, and Wayanad elected her as their voice in parliament. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has always been adored by people. She has gone through many transformations, but can she, as a parliamentarian, as a leader, fill up the big shoes of her predecessors in the family?
For long, Priyanka Gandhi has acted as the chief troubleshooter and master strategist for the Congress party. Her experience could prove handy in diffusing government versus opposition logjams in the lower house. To add to that, her excellent oratory skills could actually be a welcome addition to the lean list of Congress speakers. Importantly, her command over English and Hindi language could help spread the party's message on critical issues across the country. In fact, her wit and tongue-in-cheek responses could turn viral. One of the biggest pluses that Priyanka gets on the table is her approachable, friendly and easy demeanor. This will not only enthuse Congress MPs but also smoothen alliance hurdles with regional satraps. In fact, she has a good rapport with leaders cutting across political spectrum, and this will enhance Congress's coordination and communication skills. All the more, the fact is that on the flip side, she is a relative newbie, and parliamentary politics is a different ball game. Any error will be magnified under full media glare, and she would have to be cautious. Priyanka's stark resemblance to her grandmother, former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, will make the comparison between the two inevitable. In fact, as the expectations rise, it will give her opportunity to prove her mettle and rise to the occasion. On the other side, so far, Rahul Gandhi has been at the center of government's attack, including the tirade over dynastic politics, and with Priyanka's entry, this will open a fresh spate of attacks on the Congress party and the Gandhi siblings. In the parliament, Priyanka's knowledge will also be put to test. Her opinion on national and international issues, public and policy matters will be scrutinized. Perhaps she won't get the leeway that relatively new member of parliamentarians really get. And because of the excessive legacy baggage that she carries, it will be amplified. Importantly, this will be the first time that 3 members of the Gandhi family will be in the parliament. And that's one reason that it could open fresh grounds for interesting power play and intense lobbying, and perhaps maybe upset the precariously placed power equations within the party.
Priyanka Gandhi Vadra.
The burden of family legacy has been in her inheritance, and she has lived with it for her entire life. But it has never seemed to cast a shadow on her. On 28th November, she has made her debut as a promising parliamentarian, Priyanka.